Are you ready to master any topic 10x faster with a personal AI guide? Welcome to PromptYES, where we unlock the future of learning. Imagine an AI county pilot crafting a learning path just for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use cutting-edge AI to accelerate your growth. Get ready to transform your skills with personalized, efficient education. Let's soar into this journey together. The power of AI as your learning county pilot. Traditional learning can feel like a one-size-fits-all trap. AI breaks that mold. Your AI county pilot adapts to your pace, style, and goals. Famous tools like ChatGPT, Grok, and Gemini make this possible with smart prompts. It's like having a tutor who knows you inside out, 24/7. This is the 2025 way to learn anything, from coding to cooking. PromptYES is your partner in this revolution. How to create personalized paths with AI. Step 1. Choose your goal and tool. Start with, use ChatGPT to teach me photography basics. Step 2. Tailor the style. Adapt to my beginner level and preference for visuals. Step 3. Evolve with feedback. Include, update based on my progress every week. Step 4. Track your journey. Finish with, summarize my skills monthly. Real-world examples with famous tools. Let's dive into real examples using top AI tools. Example 1. A student mastering math with Grok. Prompt: Grok, teach me algebra. Adjust for my slow pace, evolve with quiz scores. The student starts with equations. Grok slows for weak areas, and boosts confidence in 4 weeks, half the usual time. Example 2. A professional learning data science with Gemini. Prompt: Gemini, introduce Python for data analysis, tailor to my job needs, refine with projects. The pro masters pandas in 6 weeks, applying it to a work dashboard, saving 20 hours monthly. Example 3. An artist exploring digital art with ChatGPT. Prompt: ChatGPT, guide me in Photoshop, adapt to my creative style, update with feedback. The artist creates a portfolio piece in 3 weeks, landing a freelance gig. Benefits: you learn at lightning speed with a path built for you. This keeps you engaged with content that fits your interests. It saves time by skipping irrelevant lessons. You'll achieve mastery faster with AI's constant support. It's the ultimate learning upgrade for 2025. Tips for success: pick a clear goal, like master Spanish conversation. Use specific tools. Try Grok for deep dives or ChatGPT for broad guidance. Provide regular feedback to shape your path. Example: tell Gemini my quiz results weekly. Common mistakes to avoid: don't use vague prompts like, teach me something. Avoid switching tools mid-path, stick with one. Don't skip progress reviews. Keep your learning style consistent for best results. Conclusion: your AI learning copilot is here to master any topic 10x faster. PromptYES is your guide to this personalized learning future. It's powerful and perfect for your unique journey. Subscribe for more AI learning hacks. Hit like if you're excited to try this. Share your learning goal below.